This is the cable that I bought from Amazon. As you can see, it says FLiX here. This is the packet that it came in. FLiX Energize. MRP on the back it says is like 249, but I got it for just 69 rupees if you have Prime. I will show that to you right now. Let's talk about the cable. It's actually made by Beetel. I'm not sure. I have heard this company before. I'm not able to remember where, but it's made in Ludhiana. Manufacturing was there, and it says on the pack that if I keep this receipt, I get a 200 days warranty. So 200 is about 7 months, about 7 months of warranty. Let's talk about the cable itself. It is very strong cable. It's not fully braided as you would assume other cable. It looks braided, but it's not braided. I'm not sure if you can. By the way, this is Type C cable. I'm not talking about a micro USB cable. This is a Type C cable, and this is the other end. So this is actually pretty good cable, and let me also show you. I also tested it with 18 watt, 5 watt, and 10 watt chargers. So the current it was giving was, what I expect it to give. So let me just show you. It takes a bit of time. Okay, so now as you can see in my phone, it says 853 milliamp hour. So this is 1 ampere charger, and it is giving me about 0.8 ampere of current. So that is what you would actually expect. Let me show you the Amazon page of the same. So this is the FLiX Beetel USB to Type C. This is just 69 rupees. The only reason I bought it because it was sold by Apario Retail Private Limited. Remember, this is the one of the trusted sellers. Many Sony, even if you check Sony's recommended seller website, this will show Apario. So this is the Apario one. It has this many ratings, over a lakh of rating. So there are two sellers mainly for these types of products. It's either Apario or it's Cloudtil India. So that's the reason I only bought it. So if I buy it from a non-prime account, this will cost me 40 rupees extra. So it will be 70 plus 40, 130. Even at 130 rupees, this is a very good cable. There was another cable that I had before. I have bought a lot of Type C cables. So yeah, the other one was this MI braided cable. So this one also worked pretty well, but I didn't want to buy a 300 rupees cable, just to be honest with you. I also got this 2-in-1 cable, 120 centimeters. Yeah, this one is it's the one. So I had the 120 centimeter one. So this one actually, let me show you. I actually have it here. So the problem with this cable was, if you couldn't see here, I had to use plastic because all the inners came out. I could see the small wire. I didn't want to use it anymore for my actual phone. It also gives a little less current. So if you remember that as the cable length goes longer, it will drop off in current. That's also one thing to remember. So yeah, 69 rupees cable if you have Prime, 140 if you don't have Prime. Pretty good cable. Yeah, go ahead and buy it. That's all. One more thing, since we are buying from Apario, uh, they have a replacement policy, 7-day replacement policy. So it's not an issue, because someone would have, ordered this cable and done something with it and sent a there is not much quality check on Amazon. That's so if you get a bad cable, just get it replaced immediately in the 7 days. Also, the ratings on Amazon are shit now. You cannot trust the ratings. Either it's the competitor giving negative rating, or it's the same seller giving a lot of positive ratings. Both are yeah, something that you cannot believe in. Also, many people who actually use the product and like the product, they don't have time to come on Amazon and give a good review of the product. Okay, so that's all.